Good morning, student. Wish you a happy and prosperous new year. Today we discussed about file commands of standard 11 subject computer. Working with file. The data is normally stored in file, which further may be stored in directory for proper arrangement and easy access. Text editor like Nano, Pico, VI or Vim and other are generally best suited for creating text file. First, we discussed about file. We stored our data that is called file, and all same files are stored in directories. When we want to create a file, we need a text editor program. Here, Nano, Pico, VI, Vim all are the famous text editor program. You can use any one to create your file. The cat command comes in handy in such scenario. It is mainly used to display the contents of a small file on the terminal, but it can also be used to create a file, concatenate two files and append content in a file. Here, cat command is used to create a file, display the content of a file, grouping or merging files and append a content into a file. Creating a file using cat command. To create a file using cat command, type of following command. Here we discussed different type of file commands. First one is to create a file using cat command, cat greater than introduction. Here introduction is a file name. When we execute this command, will be positioned in the next line waiting for us to type the content of the file. Type the text that you want to store in file and press Ctrl+D. This will take you back to the command prompt. The combination Ctrl+D in Linux indicate the end of file character. The greater than symbol used in the above command is known as redirection operator. When you press enter key, the cursor will display below the command prompt. You can type your data and press Ctrl+D key to come back on the command prompt. Ctrl+D indicate the end of the file and greater than symbol is used as a redirection operator. To display a text of a file. To display a text of a file, following command is used, cat introduction. If you want to display a text of your file, so type cat space introduction on the command prompt and press enter. Appending contents using cat command. To insert a text in the bottom of the file, following command is used, cat double greater than introduction. If you want to add some data in the bottom of your file, type cat double greater than file name on the command prompt and press enter. Here double greater than symbol used as a append redirection symbol. Concatenating multiple files. The cat command can also be used to concat the content of multiple files and store it in another file. The syntax using the concatenation is shown below. Cat file1 file2 greater than file3. Here the above command will create file3 and merge the content of file 1 and file 2. Delete a file. The rm command is used to delete, remove one or more files. For example, to delete the file introduction, execute the following command rm introduction. Rm means remove. If you want to delete your file, type rm file name on the command prompt and press enter. We can also delete multiple files using rm command. For instance, the command rm file 1, file 2, file 3. All 3 files are deleted. Moving around the file system. Now let us see how to view the content that are part of file system. This command gives us the list of the content in the current or a specific directory. Many options are given with ls command. In Linux started with ... indicate a name of hidden files and display a list of hidden files. -a option with ls command is used. ls means list. If you want to display a list of file and directories, you want to type ls on the command prompt and press enter key. Many options are given with ls command. If you want to display the list of hidden files and directories, we use ls-a command. Pattern matching the wildcards. In Linux, asterisk and question mark are used as a wildcard, used for matching a pattern as required by the user. Here, asterisk indicate any number of characters including name and question mark indicate a single character. Here, asterisk and question mark used as a wildcard operator. It also used to display for matching a pattern as required by the user. For example, if you want to display a list started with A, so you type A asterisk. Here, asterisk indicate the number of characters and question mark indicate a single character.